Na 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 na. Toylastik Fever. Yeah. Hi everybody, this is Toylastik Fever, and this is my first video since I just made the channel, Toylastik Fever with a K at the end, and we're reviewing Shopkins. I already opened it, as you can see. I just wanted to show you guys. Well, I already opened it, but my video before wasn't so as good because I was kind of tired and stuff because it was in the morning. So now I have Shopkins. I already opened it for the other video, but I'm showing you guys now because I didn't download that one. So let's open since I already opened it. Okay. The only thing I'm missing is the list. Where's the list? It's gone. Oh my goodness. Can you see? Where is it? It's not here. Okay, I'll just get the list because I left it on the table. For me to know what Shopkins, because it's like, it's a ghost list. I don't know where it is. So I have my Shopkins. Whoa, some just fell. Crazy. Okay, so I got the Shopkins. Okay. Let's see what we have. Let's take all of them out. Ugh. The cake is really hard to take out. Even this, I wish banana bread, I already have that one. The shoe. Get out of there. Even though I opened this before, it's hard for me. Again, seriously. And we have some baggies. There are new bags if you don't have Season 3 Shopkins yet. They have new bags, a round handle, and it's blue with polka dots and says Shopkins both sides. See? It's really new now. I'm going shopping. Shop? Wait, what is... I keep forgetting. So, let's see. You can get chalk frosted Shopkins, chalk frosted Shopkins. That's rare, ultra rare. Polished pearl Shopkins, special edition, and cool jewel Shopkins, limited edition. And you could collect 140 plus if you don't know them yet. If you don't know Shopkins, they're really awesome. But the only thing is their videos are on Treehouse. But I'm too old for them. But I just love the toys. I mean, like, whoa. Okay. So, the white is common. Green is rare. And pink is ultra rare. Blue is special edition, and white with gold, not pink, gold is limited edition. So let's see what Shopkins I have. And plus, these Shopkins are made from Moose Toys. And you can just color in the circle or checkmark them. Okay, let's see what we got. This one. Okay. Her name is, she has a best friend, she's purple, and she's, Blunder. Okay, let me just see. I'm really bad at the Shopkins names, so don't judge me. Oh, she's Mixie and Maxie. I think this is Mixie, and this is Maxie. This is the cup, the mug, whatever. It has a bowl, but it has a handle. Kind of weird. Okay, next, the rain boot, is called Jennifer Rain. Woo! I'm so happy. I'm splashy in the rain. Oh, please. The next one is the polished pearl. You could get it from 12 packs that you can see, or the barn bag, the 2 barn bag. So her name is Kelly calculator, and she's special edition. Forgot this one is common. This one is rare. Seriously, a boot. Oh, and plus, this one is so cute because it has a ring. A ring. What did I say about rainbows? I mean, umbrella. Oh my goodness. I'm so forgetful these days. This one is in the bakery, and it's Lana banana bread, and it's a common. Lana, please get out of the screen. Why? It's so awesomely tasty. Don't lick it. Ah, Lana. Goodness. Next one is the gingerbread house, and it's in the sweet treats. I faced it in the wrong way. Where's the face? Okay. This one is Ginger Fred. Is it a girl or a boy? Can you link down in the comments below? I don't know. Ginger Fred. Because it looks like a girl, but it's named Fred. And it's a common. This one, I presume, is... where is it? Where is it? Teeny TV, and it's a rare. Next one is Susie Sushi, because I know her name very much. And she's in the... Oops, it covered. So getting mixed up. This is international food, and she's a common. This one is again from international food. Hey, what is she? Scawny. What is she? Link down below. What is she? I've tasted this food, real food, but I don't know what she is. But she is a common. This one I likey, is on the other side, and it's not Beverly Hills. I can't see because of the fan. Wilma Wedge, and it's a common. More commons. Seriously, I'm wondering I already know what's in the blind bags because I opened it before, but I'm gonna look surprised because I am still surprised. And this is a wedding cake. Is it Wendy wedding cake? I don't know. Let's see. It's in the bakery, right? Yep. And it's Wendy wedding cake, and it's so rare. Yay! Okay. So since I already know what's in here, I'm gonna still be surprised. You're gonna be, guys, super surprised. Which one can I open first? Is this one. I won't open the last one, but I just chose this one. And look at these. It's red, it's juicy, it's tomato. So what's its name? What's its name? So Roly Poly. It's supposed to be called Roly Poly because it just rolled. I can't get it. So the name is Cherry Tomato, and it's rare. Woohoo! I always wanted this one. Okay, this one I got super surprised, and I wanted so badly. It's my first one, and you're going to be so surprised too. It's a limited edition! Woo! Was so surprised when I videoed this last time. You'll see my face expression when I videoed that, and I'll post it out. So it's just a surprise. Woohoo! Yeah. Ooh, ah. It's Ruby Earring. And her name, and it says here, once you shop, you can't stop. Congratulations, you have just found a limited edition Ruby Earring. 1,108 of 5,000. It's 1,000, yeah. Ooh, I'm so proud of myself. Introduced by Moose Toys. So this is a card that you get when you get a limited edition Shopkin. So you just open it and see what number you got. This is the ones that are left. It's very rare to find these, and I'll check mark on the list. Woohoo! It's so glitter. It's so shiny. Look at it. It even has confetti. Look! Yay! It's celebrating my birthday! So, thank you, Moose Toys. I got 4 of these. Thank you, Moose Toys, for putting this. I'm so lucky because I bought some for my friends. This is supposed to be for my other friend, but I chose it, but I never knew. But if I gave it to her, she would get one. She would get a limited edition, but not me. But I just did. Woohoo! Woo, Shopkins. Yeah, Shopkins! Woohoo! So that's it for today. Woohoo! Dun, 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 dun. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Link in the comments below. What do you think Ruby Earring's gonna do to us? Because she's the ruler of everything. She's the ruler of everyone because she's the only limited Shopkin. Well, actually, what do you mean? Ruler like numbers, or ruler that takes care of the world? That takes care of the world. Oh! Well, bye, Toylastik fans! And thank you, and please stay tuned. Can you please stop singing? Fine. Bye. Thumbs up.